know if this is working or not. This is something new on my phone because the last 2 times I tried to record it, it didn't work. um, so, yeah, third time's a charm, I hope. Got a package in the mail today. Rob Garman, Grandadz Forge. Please check out his channel. So I used this little mild steel knife shaped object to open the package. It's not super sharp, but then again, it's just mild steel. So anyway, I'm going to go through what was in the box. Rob and I had talked about my other supplier of Himalayan pink salt drying up. And so he graciously sent me a 5-pound bag, and I am very, very happy to have that because I've got some salt I need to smoke. And on the same note, he sent me some Celtic sea salt that was applewood smoked. And put that up in the spice cupboard and add it to all my other salts. This will be different because all the smoked salt that I've ever had was my own smoked salt, so never had some store-bought stuff. Gin-gins. Chewy ginger candy. That sounds interesting. I'm going to have to try those out. I don't know if the kids are going to get by with those or not. Haha. But 2 very cool items. The Journeyman Spike. And yes, this has been seen on Facebook, but this was forged out of a railroad spike, and this is just so cool. I love the double twist in it and the hand. Everything just come together on that. That is super, super neat. Good on you, Rob. Nice work. And the mild steel hammer that he made at Quad State at the Coffee Ranch. And he did the copper on the head. It just looks super awesome. I love it. Burned handle. It's set to work. Anyway, yeah, like I says, hopefully this video works out. But Grandadz Forge, check him out. Subscribe. Very cool guy. Much appreciated, Rob. This is just neat. So, yeah, that's going to be about the long and short of this video. Thanks, everybody. Grandadz Forge, signing off.